Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Selamat siang, Miss. Perkenalkan, nama saya Manipeteri Sinti Barus dengan NIM 44231920.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Aprilia Puji Astuti dengan NIM 44231869.
Di sini kami ingin membuat percakapan dialog bertentangan tema talking about tourist attraction that you have visited.
Hi Monique, it's been a while. Had you were traveling again?
Hi, April. Yes, I just got back from Danau Toba and Raja Ampat. What place were beautiful?
That's amazing. I just came back from Bandung, Bali, and Lombok. So much to see in this country.
Absolutely. Indonesia is like 5 countries in one. So, how was Bandung?
Carmen, I didn't expect it to be so green. The tea plantations in Chile, the cool fountain air is the refreshing.
I've been there too. Did you go to Kawaputi?
Yes, that milky water crater like looked surreal and the smell of sulfur was strong but worth it.
What else did you explore there?
I visited Tangkuban Perahu and hiked a bit around Lembang. The hot springs were perfect after long walk.
Sounds like the perfect weekend getaway. Did you try the food?
Of course, Sunday's food is amazing. Nasi timbel, sambal, and payam for dessert.
Yummy. Now I am craving some spicy Sundanese food. So after Bandung, you went to Bali?
Yes, but this time I stayed in the north and it's more peaceful than the southern beach.
Where exactly?
I stayed in Sedimen and Munduk Rice, the rice, hinder waterflies, and what barely on tourists.
That sounds like a dream. Did you go hiking?
Yep, I did sunrise trek to Mount Batur and later hike to Sekumpul waterfall. It was breathtaking.
If St. Peter's, that waterfall is like something from a fairy tale.
Totally. So what about the Toba? What is peaceful and people say?
Even more, I stayed on Samosir Island, right in the middle of the lake. It felt like time stood still there.
What do you do, Sri?
I visit Batak traditional village, explored Tomok, and hiked to Bukit Hobung for a panoramic view.
That sounds like a cultural experience too.
Absolutely, the Batak people are proud of their heritage. I watched a traditional tortor dance so powerful.
Just you swim in the lake.
Yes, the water was calm and clear. It felt like swimming in the clouds.
That must have been magical. The you fly to Raja Ampat.
Yes, via Sorang, it was a bit of a journey, ferry, then boat, but so worth it.
What was the first thing you noticed, Sri?
Slides that wave in birds, I stay in a bungalow on Arborek Island. No Wi-Fi, no noise, just nature.
Perfect for this note disconnecting.
Exactly. Every morning I snorkel off the pier and see reef sharks, clownfish, and vibrant corals.
Ted, Paradise, did you go to Pianemo?
Yes, I climbed up to the fifth point to Slimestown Island in turquoise water looked unreal. Unreal.
I can only imagine. Did you dive too?
Not yet. I only snorkeling, but even from the surface, the marine life was incredible.
I've heard you can see manta rays there too.
True, I saw one glide beneath me. It was massive and so graceful.
That's unforgettable. After Bali, I went to Lombok. Have you been?
Yes, but a long time ago. What did you explore there?
I started in Kuta Lombok with because clear water and amazing surf.
I remember Tanjung and Beach, soft white sand and barely anyone around.
That was my favorite, and the sunset at Solam Belanak unreal.
Did you go to the Gili Islands?
Yes, I stayed in Gili. I no cars, just big scullies, and the sound of waves.
That's the best kind of island living. I love snorkeling with turtles there.
Some may hurt to swim so close, totally unbothered.
Did you climb Mount Rinjani?
I did the day today hike to the Krat Rim. It was exciting, but the view imagine
Nature really humbles you, does it?
every single time, whether it's the ocean or the mountains in reset. You mean?
That's what I felt in Rajampat, watching the stars at night with zero light pollution. It made me feel so small but purposeful.
Sunlight a spiritual experience.
In many ways, it was the locals' life so simple, yet the seemed so fulfilling.
Im- That's something we can learn from in Bali too. The people's sense of balance is inspiring.
Did you attend a temple ceremony?
Yes, in Tirta and pool, enjoying the water purification ritual. It was cold but felt cleansing instead of.
Beautiful. I joined a Batak church service in Toba, different but equally moving.
Love how every place in Indonesia has to in identity.
Exactly, you go from the culture of the Batak to the beaches of Bali to the reefs of Rajampat, all in one country.
If someone had just 2 weeks in Indonesia, which destination will you recommend first?
Two question, but I say start with Bali for culture, then no Toba for reflection.
Good, good call. I'd go for Lombok and Bandung, less crowded and more natural.
I really depends of the travel adventure, Gora Jampat, culture, dan Toba, food, Bandung, surf Lombok.
Everett, you can see at Il on go.
But you can always come back. That's the magic.
So what's next on your list?
Flores and Komodo Island. I went to see the dragons on the pink beach.
Let's go together. I want to dive at Komodo National Park.
Perfect plan, another wild Indonesia adventure.
I'll start checking flags. You bring the sunscreen?
Deal, and this time let's document every step.
Photo, journal, drone hot, the full packet.
Exactly, let's show the world how beautiful Indonesia truly is.
One is like a time. Sekian dari kami.
Berdua percakapan dialog ini ya Miss. Sekian dan terima kasih. Dadah.